Good afternoon, everyone. This is negpod. I go by the names of Biasalora Divine, here with Avana, Didier, Eddie, Justine, Milka, Anthony. So this is our student management app. And as you can see, we first work together to work on the user interface. And here we are going to present our student management app. And as you can see, I was assigned to do the add a new student and also a loader function. What is a loader function? This is a function I use to print all the colors, all the good things you see, the negpod, the colors and everything. So yes, so let me go straight to the add new student. So what it does when you click one, it calls a function called register. And when the register function is called, it requires you, they ask you to enter the student email. And when you enter a student email that is not in my register function, I have an if condition where it first checks if the extension is ALU student. As you can see, if it's not ALU student, it tells you that the email is not valid. And here we're going to add an email that has an extension of ALU student. And after the student email, they require you to enter the age and also the ID, the age which must be an integer. And after that, of course, when everything is good, it opens a preview loading, which is the table that has all the students and your new student added. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Abele Bonaparte. So I worked on the view all student functionality in this registration application, please. So what actually happened, it just lists what is stored in the students list txt file. Please press 2. So as you can see, just list it and it gets called every time that we change anything. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Didier Sendiuva, and I was assigned to edit the details in the storage, which is student list, and I used the update student function, and I would like Eddie to press 3 so that we can demonstrate how to edit a student in the student list. And as requested in the assignment, the user has to enter the ID. As you see, when you enter a wrong ID, it tells you that the ID doesn't exist. So it's better that we view one of the IDs from the list so that we use the correct format. And after entering the correct ID, it prompts the user to edit the age and the email as requested. And it also checks if the age is an integer, although we are not going to do it right now because we're rushing with time. Yeah, that's how it works. And you can check if everything has been modified in the storage file. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tony Lee, and I was assigned with removing students' details in the student list.txt file. In the deleting function, I started with checking if this file exists in the using f tag, the search, then searching having if the ID is there using grep. If my colleagues would help me by the user correct ID, it will remove the ID of the student that he filled in. As you can see, the student has been removed from the list above. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I was assigned to work on the function that saves the student emails. sorted in alphabetical order and ascending order. So my contribution to this project, the how towards we first check if the file exists. Then if it does, the process continues. If not, it displays an error message to the user. After extracting the emails into a new file, the script shows a loading message while sorting them alphabetically. Please kindly press 5 in order to see the demonstration of what I explained above.
Okay, so thank you. My name is Milka Kiezai Sinisko, and I've worked on the view student email sorted in ascending order. I'll first ask you this to press 6, and then I'll explain the logic behind. Okay, so basically how I did this is I created a function called view email, and in the body of the function, we created a prompt that will be displaying that message, opening emails preview in ascending order, to inform the user that the emails are being loaded. And then after that, we call the loader function, which is responsible for all the animation that you see there, the dots and 100%. And therefore, we display the emails stored in the variable called emails, which is in the function still. And after that, we call the main.sh script located in the same directory to be executed in order to come back to the main menu and continue the program's workflow. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. My name is Eddie, and I worked on the backup functionality. And in order to do the backup operation, I would like to first go to the root folder to show that since we are going to use this remote server to test the backup, as you can see, we don't have the summative folder here. Let me return to the project folder really quick. Okay, so first of all, for the security purpose, of course, you have to use the .env to store the sensitive data in the .env file. So with that, we can just write in the .env file. As you can see, we have the credentials that we're going to use to send the backup data on the remote server. And run the program again. Okay, so I simply click press 7 to do the backup, and it prompts you to, if you're sure about the operation you're about to do, and that you will no longer run the program in the main directory folder. Okay, and I'm going to press yes. Why? And the backup operation starts. And as you can see, the process was successful. And if I do the ls here, you can see that it has generated a negpod 12/q1 folder. And when I go to the root folder, you can see that the summative folder has been created. Let's navigate into it. We have this folder name that was one of the criteria in the project. Let me see into it. And as you can see, we have the negpod 12 folder inside, as we've been asked in the project criteria.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, it's Tony again, and I was also asked the coding functions to also exit the whole app. My friend can demonstrate by putting in 8 and pressing enter. As you can see, the application closes. Thank you very much. This was our presentation of negpod 12.
Sir.
That's